Welcome to the channel. I'm ShadowScoutSwede. Today I'm going to do a video about another gift I got for Christmas, and it is super cooling towel. But before we get into that, we will be back after this message. Welcome back, guys. Let's get into this video, shall we? Here we have the super cooling towel. Let's open it. And here we have it. A silver gray color on the front. Beautiful. And on the back, it is black. So it's good length, actually, so I can wrap this around my neck or my head as a bandana. You soak these in cold water, and then you press the water out and give it a snap, and then you wrap it around your head or your neck. It depends on what you prefer. Let's see specifications on this one. Lightweight, refreshing. I agree with that. 98% UV blocking rate, 50 plus UV protection index. That's good, actually. That's what I like. The higher the better. The higher protection, the better it is, in my opinion. Chemical-free physical cooling effect. I love cooling effects. Normal temperature water and even sweat can generate cooling effect. Okay, so that's good. So you get use for your sweat too, which is nice. That is what I call recycle the sweat to cool you down. Machine washable, which is really nice. As long as fabric is soaked with water, it can activate the cooling properties by snapping the towel. Instant cooling, consistent cooling effect, durable. That is what I like too. Works great and portable for sports and outdoor activities and working in a hot environment. Easy to carry. Oh yes, I believe that. And there is a note to it. Do not use bleach. It may cause damage to the fabric. 2. Don't place the product in high temperature and or high humidity place for a long time. I believe that is not good idea for this fabric to do so with this fabric. Number 3, try the best to wring the towel out and prevent clothes to be wet. That is also a good idea, a good advice. Keep out of reach of children. Okay, that is probably a good advice too, but I don't know for what reason. Number 5, the edge of the towel may be loosened and curved after long-term use. Okay, that is what you probably can expect after long-term use. But no matter what, it is a good product to have. I have actually one another. It's a shock green one, but I don't remember where it is at the moment. So I'm happy that I have 2 of these now. here is the second one. So it's nice to have one extra, one spare. So that's awesome. But I also have a little bonus for today's video. And it's also on the cooling theme. This is actually cooling arm sleeves. And I didn't get these for Christmas. My wife ordered this one on Temu last year. And I don't know why I didn't made a video on this one, but okay. So I add this as a bonus. What a sleeve is it is a tube fabric made to a tube, and it's very stretchy fabric, so that's nice. So you have a little hole here for your thumb, which is nice. So what you do with this, you do the same thing with this as you do with this. So I haven't seen this type before, so you soak this in water and squeeze the water out and snap it, and then you pull it over your arms. So you will cool, nice and cool arms too, which I really like. So this one will come in handy, and this one will also come in handy. I've never seen this type before, so, but I'm not sure how well this one will hold up compared to this one. But what do you think, guys? What do you think about cooling sleeve or a cooling towel? Please let me know in the comments. And that's all for today's video, guys. And if you are new to my channel, feel free to subscribe, like, share, and comment. And don't forget to hit the notification bell so you get notified when I upload new videos and go live. That's all for today's video, guys. Take care, stay safe, God bless, be part of the solution, not the problem. ShadowScoutSwede out.